Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today is September 12th, 2024, known as Orie market in Igbo land, a day of success. You are highly blessed and empowered to control yourself and your fellow humans in a good manner via the existence of the wind, water and sand, which our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all humans and languages, uses to sustain humans and monitors every human's actions toward their fellow humans without a single mistake to avoid blacklist here and the afterlife. Be kind to your fellow humans and have a time limit in everything you are doing with anyone to avoid miscalculation that leads to evil actions. Have it in mind, prayer of forgiveness after destroying your fellow human's life is not working because you spend time planning how to destroy your fellow human. The destroyer of the world is, have mercy, forgive me, I'm sorry, forgive me, so that God will forgive you. It's written, even if my sin is darker like charcoal, my God will forgive because he is merciful God. This is the destroyer of the peace of the world. This is where they destroy your mind and turn you to evil against your fellow human being because you always believe after destroying someone's life, you ask your God to forgive you. Here we lost. The truth I have reviewed from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe, Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.